Okay, so good morning everybody. See that simple pendulum. We are going to start this topic, simple pendulum. Here that is a string and a ball or anything you can attach with. It's like a pendulum, like you have seen in watches, okay, clocks. Pendulum clocks might have you seen. So there, that just like this pendulum. So that is here we can make by taking a ball attached with a string, and when we will push it from one side, it start moving in this way, like swinging in this way. Okay, so when that position of this object is straight, that means at rest, that is called mean position. Okay, so when the object is at rest, its position is called mean position, and when we will push it, it will go up to a higher state, and that position is called extreme position, whether it is left or right, any side. When it reaches up to highest height, that position is called extreme position, and the center position is called mean position. Okay, so revising once again, this is that anything you can tie with a thread, like ball, plastic ball tied with a thread, so you can make a simple pendulum. And when we are pulling it from one side and leaving it, it start moving in this way, like swinging in this way, and the middle position is called mean position, and where it goes highest, that position is called extreme position, whether it is left or right. Now the term related to that, first one is oscillation. Now what is oscillation? Oscillation means when that object start moving from B, this C, B, A, C, this names we have given here. If it start moving from B, so B to A, then again coming back to B, then B to C, and again coming back to B, then it completed one oscillation. That means it should complete one full cycle. If we are pulling it at A position and then leaving and start moving from position A, so A to C and C to A, that completed one oscillation. Okay, so like here am I explaining you. If it start from this position, then it goes up to C and then again going back to A. So when it goes this halfway and another half we are joining it, then it completed one cycle, and one complete cycle means one oscillation. That means pendulum completed one oscillation when it completed one complete cycle. That means from where it start, it should come back to its own position. That means start from B, so it should come back at B. Now see, when we will divide this circle, so this part 1/4, then half, 3/4, and one complete oscillation. So in this way it completed one complete oscillation. Like if it moves from A to B, that is 1/4, B to C, half, C to B, 3/4, and up to A, it completed one oscillation. So one oscillation, that means the object start moving from A to C and again coming back to the same position where it start. That is what oscillation. And this motion is called to and fro, back and forth, and it is also called periodic motion. Okay, to and fro, that motion is called to and fro. Back and forth, same thing we can say, to and fro, back and forth. Periodic motion, periodic means when it is taking a fixed interval of time, that is called periodic motion. Now next term is amplitude. Now what is amplitude? The maximum distance covered from B to A, from mean position to extreme. This distance from mean up to where it goes, that distance is called amplitude of that simple pendulum. So what is amplitude? Maximum distance covered from mean position to extreme position, that is amplitude. That means AB and BC, this AB and this BC are called amplitudes here. This distance between AB and here this distance between BC, amplitude. Now next is time period. Now what is time period? The time to complete one oscillation. That means whatever we have discussed about oscillation, that oscillation completed in how much time? Like one oscillation completed, we have to see when it start, we have to see time. As it completed, then we have to see time. That means whatever the time taken to complete one oscillation, that is time period. That means number of oscillation, formula of time period, number of oscillation upon time taken. Whatever the number of oscillation upon time taken, that is time period. So what is time period? Time taken to complete one oscillation. एक oscillation को complete होने में जितना time लगेगा, that is called its time period. So that is all about simple pendulum.